Up our clip now. Mother boy, Juliet and Judith. Fejiko ne konu first yada. Fejiko je baba nkata Juliet and Judith as a company. Oku ye design their logo. Juliet and Judith as hmm? All right, Juliet. Let's begin. So I want to open the banner assignment, Monica. Okay, look at this one. This one. So let's start as serious graphic designer. First thing first. Kefe email before we do this design. You just make a CorelDraw, right? Make all your research. You want to research. Email akụkọ. What can research email give you the research. Again, it was mm, we malu no yes word. Maybe it's for inspiration now. If we work, maybe it's for inspiration. Interest. Okay. Two images. Merge them together. Okay. Then color. Color. Okay. What happened to the color? Take his choose your color. Asking get research. I cannot research. It could be a bit what your background. Your colors. Take his choose your color. And the color, all work together. All the maybe copy or the color can I use. Maybe what is your color? Then your color. Mm. Okay. From inspiration, Holy Spirit. Eh? Eyedropper. About kids we choose, light. Okay, color, but that's this thing. Light brown and brown and dark brown. We are the color rhyme together. All rhyme now. Obviously, you choose the color of. I choose color harmony there. Color harmony use. That types of color harmony I will. Monochromatic. Monochromatic. Color harmony kind of. I'm a color harmony now. Get types get types of color harmony I will. Get types of color harmony I will. Monochromatic. Under one. Monochromatic. Is it color harmonies? Monochromatic. Tetra tetrachromatic or something like that. Can it before? Check your notes now. Color harmony. Well, so my system use level monochromatic. He use the shades and tints of the color they use. And to the color rhyme with this paper nearby brown, okay? Oh yeah, we use the okay. Then let's come to the font. Let's come to the font. Font are there, but font there, but the four, all four fonts now. You can use bold font. If we can only ever is slapping. And to space, so they always big space in between the letters. You can image that here. Yeah. Change this font. And modifier font there. Modern. Okay, modern is also good. In the use this type of font, you notice now. It may title case. Title case will be better than all capital. Like Ona. Let's let's come here. Let's make it change this thing. Title case. Before like this. Ona oya makarekalia mafancha beautiful. Then you close up the space in between here. Home of premium hair. The font don't get another problem. So you work on your font, typography. Get type of font there.
See that slogan.
Mm-hmm.
No, possible.
And to each the previous one. There is a lot of space here. Why one? There is a space. There is big space here. Hmm? And Monica, why?
I just want to make it simple. Why are
It's
they
simple,
more
but you should be balanced. Why are they simple? Why are they balanced? Hmm? Echetago m na ọ mbọsị m lụsịrị mmadụ ọrụ send ya all the too simple.
simple image?
Ọcha by like all the colorful. Okay, let's see. Okay, can we play the previous? The image is from Pinterest, okay?
Uh,
What size here?
4 by 3.
4 by 3. Okay. Yes, issues with the correct size. 4 by 3 feet. There's big space over here. Close it up. Then here. Then unbalance. What is this? This is 9. Okay, over 10. Mark yourself. Get there. Obro no do ya do. Look at all of alignment, all of balance, all of different size. This size is different from this size. Eh? This size is different from this size. And so the space not here, all the overcrowded, all the big. Hmm? Okay, we have to touch. Let's touch alignment. Let's touch alignment. Let's touch alignment. Let's look at this view. I've been a view. Our alignment guides. When you go to the view tab, you have alignment guide and dynamic guide. Very important. So it will help you to guide you doing alignment when you're aligning objects together. Example, let me put on my WhatsApp icon over here, green. And so you should also use, you should have also used the brown for the icons, one color,
For the
instead of
icon.
these multicolors. Here, you use plain icon for the WhatsApp. If you are using 3D icon for Instagram. Why? You just download
Thank you.
download open here use 3D. Use 3D on all. About the same 3D. The font size balancing. Okay, so alignment guide. So this is my first of all. Let me add text lips. Now watch. Let me. Okay, material design icon. or font awesome. Or look at this one, Sagio. I work at this one, Sagio MDL2 assets. Let me go for material. Material material design. So material design icon. Well,
Mhm.
back I actually say these icons, like a Facebook logo and those here. I know you have fairly shut up that the icon like this. So you just pick up one. This is PSP logo. My PSP. You know what is PSP?
PSP.
Uh,
PS na.
PSP, what is it?
No come.
It's name here.
Show more game.
Oh, game. So this is a microphone. Which one will I pick now? Okay, PSP. Let me pick three. Oh, PSP. Oh, Mojo Man. Mam que de ya o. Kaji kaloge ekwensu de ya. Then we have a QR code over here. So I have to drag all of them for my icons. Nafia.
Mm.
Okay, okay, okay. Ima no, oh yeah, me on the that. It's on also on this. And all the correct in your phone. When you check on your phone, all the me on the that welcome before. All right, so this is my logo for sample in case Facebook, Instagram, right? Then TikTok. So alignment guide, view, go to alignment guide. Nafia, 1 year on or the on. The other one, dynamic guide. So these things are not guiding a spacing between two objects, your objects make it. So now let me pick up my PSP logo. Where Ogoscom no baseline before that line no one that.
Okay.
Ogoscom na favor you go na the same base. Where then bring center top without alignment guide, you cannot get it. Then let me bring this one close. If we are the same thing, if we are center, then here Ogoscom no spacing
Same
and go
space.
correct. Nafia. So with this, you correct your this thing, your logo. Then make sure you dey use monochromatic. Monochromatic, almost brown. Then what is Instagram? Instagram color. Instagram the line. Instagram afro color for you use, right? The blue color meaning onion their logo. Hmm? So yeah, but their logos, all the colors on the internet with their logo. Okay. So alignment. Equal the same space, equal spacing, the same center alignment on both. Without this alignment guide being on, you know what me and direct. Okay, alignment guide on. So let's do for this. Click on this where center alignment. Then we drag this center alignment, the same space where copy go the same space. Let me bring it down for copy, for copy. Okay. So here what is this bitmap logo? Here use SVG. Again, SVG repo. If you go to svgrepo.com, let's look for it. svgrepo.com. Back here now icons. Hmm?
Rainbow or rainbow.
SVG repo repo svgrepo.com. You need an icon. Similar icons. You go select it. Overall, use 3D icon here. You use flat icon there. Or maybe balance, right? If you are using 3D, you use 3D throughout. One color. So we choose brown for all. Never. Where if you go do with the balancing, oh my god, carry this one, say carry this Instagram logo. Where so all correction there, but then I na-eme ya ya dị adọ foto aka na aya dị esi n'elu na-adọ foto aka na imego nwaanyị ọsụọ chukwu dọgụ na akịta ya adị mma. Eh? Chukwu bi ọ na-asị ọ na-eme gị nyụọ gị. Na if you do, I think I already repeat go this thing before countless time. Hmm? Stop dragging photo from the top or bottom. Drag it from the angle. I think I drag it photo now. Hmm? Drag it from the angle. Corner wasted this. So it mad the yeah. Also na proportion balance. When you draw it from the top, or may always balance. Eh? Stop resist the temptation to draw from the top. Oh, yeah, mine. Mana, what is what is there? Eh? Mana, ọ na-enye nsogbu na Filmora, na-enye nsogbu na Wacom. The volume na dị low. Mba, awọkụ m ya from the app Filmora. From low. How the guy change the mind? Mm. So don't draw photo from the top here or from the bottom. Draw by the angle. Abomination cover if you draw it from the top or from the side. The graphic abomination, right? Then this people, if you look at this people, what is wrong with their photo? Cancel it. Oh, the about blur. I'm not talking about blur. Oh, something is wrong with it. Enhance the photo, door sharp. Oh, all the door catching yellow. Chinelo swear the door tata. Hmm? It's where this girl, all the door, get this download where
Interest.
from Pinterest or my screenshot.
Pinterest.
Pinterest. Maybe I'm going to tinye the shadow, the transparency. All right. So focus only the picture need the more focus, right? So you make it very big. Remove remove this. So this is background. Okay. So let's cut off this. Cut off this. We have to remove the transparency first. This one. Okay, yes, yes. All right. Now if you're more big, but need the attention. Yes. Let's drop it from here. We sell 100% human hair. Are you sure? Hmm. So what do we see? I get I come out the here. NK hair hub. Okay. Alignment. Make sure the alignment. Make sure your alignment guide is on. Corner direct it to getting the correct alignment.
View.
View. Alignment guide. Dynamic guide. So ọ ga na-enye gị aka na-enye gị automatic alignment na-egosi gị ọ na-abanye ozugbo ọ dịghị abanye. April dots. Okay. You borrow 500 and pay 510 naira. Raise this up. You have to NK air hub space, small space. So in a design, you try to fill up your space. Go ahead, the open way here, the above wiki tinye transfer something transparent nearby na empty space and then your work or data will know ya try to be covering up the space. Or bro, if I say that you should cover up the space, it bruise anything. Hmm? Drag this in, this one in, our clip in. Then okay, then okay, here this one, huh? Okay, this one should come over here like this. Then the logo icon, imagine only is display here or something like that. Or do you need to work on the image? If I scan a Photoshop, you work on the image directly. So now today's class,
I'm not going to place a work on image of
don't
using
worry,
Photoshop.
we are not started with we are not done starting with Photoshop. When you get there, you cross the bridge up here, or
Alright.
the bridge will cross you.
Yeah.
So one thing about design, in the shake your text, always try to be closing up the kernel, especially for the headline. Hmm? The space ever. Or you make your work or the more premium. All this space ever. It will automatic space. Oh yeah, they are managing close all the space a bit. For ya, or now balance kunanya. Now, especially for the headline. All right. So today we'll be finishing up with CorelDraw. Right. Okay. Text. Operating characters. Okay. Text lips. Tools. Tools. I am a tools data. Hmm? Tools. Then scripts. Script editor and they are run script. I should run script. Variable script. Script for application for specific purpose for CorelDraw. Let me attach to CorelDraw. Hmm? We have let's run the script. Then macro, then come over here. Was different. Our calendar wizard, our color chart creator, I will convert all to call. I will which other one I will?
Actually,
Eh?
under the macros.
Yes. Not under the macro name, the VBA project, macro and VBA project banner. Nafia,
Mm-hmm.
we have all standard. We have calendar wizard. We
Color
have color
chart.
chart creator. We
Convert.
have file converter. Nafia, all the all automatically. Iyandabo processes here automatic. It should convert the file from okay from no the ever to if you want to convert your file from CorelDraw file to JPEG. Hmm, automatic. This one will convert all. Let's try it. Let me close it. Let me place this one. Let me remove all these objects over here. Delete this one. Then take this one to another page. Take this one to another page. But we should be careful because this is a big resolution. Hmm? Feet 4 by 3 feet. It's very big. So we try to lower the resolution. So now we want to export these two files together automatically. Maybe if there are more than 100 pages, now if you are trying to export it one by one, what is just work, okay? After work. So, but with macro, you can export everything at once as JPEG, as Adobe Illustrator, as EPS, as SVG directly. In 10 minutes, you are done. Something that will may take you 2 hours, 5 minutes, you are done. So you go to Win Tools, go to Script, run Script, come to Macro in VBA, go to File Converter. Yes, convert start, click on File, then run to start your file converter. Are you seeing my screen? Now, file converter is out. Number one is source. Where are we? What is the file we want to convert? I'm coming. Let me save this. Let's make sure it is the same. Hmm? So it will not pick on the previous one. So now I've saved it, right? And this is my file over here. Where is it? Banner assignment. That's it. This one. We are inside the flash. We have open everything outside. All your little distraction. Unlike this one, if you look at this one, some items there beside it, some this one they have been removed. So we come to tools, scripts, run scripts, file converter, run source. Where is the source of our file, Monica?
CorelDraw.
Where is the source? Name flash inside the flash. Source, the location.
Money and Azam.
Yes, inside the flash. So we locate the source. Now, if you look at my source,
Running.
so you have to locate the source of the file. The source of the file is inside Harmony and Azonta. Hmm?
Mm.
So we open Harmony and Azonta. Then come over here. Okay, Harmony and Azonta. We click the source. File completed. It will search all the files that are inside the flash or inside the location. So the one we are looking for is which one are we looking for?
Banner assignment.
Which one are we looking for?
Banner assignment.
Banner assignment. Banner assignment. Where is it? Yeah, banner assignment, right? Yeah. So this is your banner assignment. You add it, any more thing. Okay. Then destination. Where do you want to save our converted file? So we are clicking on the same flash. Okay. Then we are converting to Adobe Illustrator, Windows Bitmap, CorelDraw template, Corel computer graphics meta file. Which one are we converting to? Let's convert to JPEG. Hmm? In our different file formats, this server, we have to pick one, then the one we are converting to, we pick it up. We pick up JPEG. Are we converting our text to curve? JPEG will convert it to curve automatically, so no need. Okay, color mode. What is the color mode we are using?
RG.
RGB. Okay. Bitmap option. Resolution.
Resolution.
Yes. What resolution are we using?
That is a 300.
For print, 300 in our phone. 96 is the very low resolution. So we put in 300. Then page size. Custom. I cannot 4 by 3, right? We put in custom. Landscape. Background color. If you want a background color to be there, the background color is here. Are we going to save each page as a separate file? Yes. Convert. So it's now converting automatically. This is a large file, 4 by 3, so it's big. So it's going to take sometimes 4 by 3 feet. After, so after converting, you have your file, everything together. Any question?
So what's the essence of this conversion? Ever I save change the file directly to page.
Or
Yes, sir.
if you are dealing with multiple
Okay, for
pages,
multiple pages.
mm, don't worry, you are still doing one page now. If you do like 100 pages, have you done 100 pages before? No, 200 pages. Get me last year, more than 250. Yeah, so I have to use this one. Maybe I want one.
Or
Until you
different design.
different design, the magazine. So everything.
Okay.
Well, if maybe a one by one, chigabo, right? So you have to use this one within 15 minutes. Yeah, I might make the other. It's like 1 hour or so. Go to MS. So if I should use manually, if I should go and to mistake, we can make mistake, or make mistake. Okay. So it's still converting. Let's open the flash and see. Yeah, we are supposed to use like that 96 resolution, not 300. 300 is also going to be big because it's a large file. And yeah, if it's a small file like A4, then 300 might be better.
This one I insist. Oh, yeah, the sharp.
Oh yeah, the sharp, makana the banner big 4 by 3 feet. But that's not small. Now, if you have all like this, right? So exporting with 300 will take more time. But if it's like this, exporting with 300 will take,
Yes, okay.
and it will come out. All right, I think it's done. File conversion has finished. So let's check for our files. Okay, is it? After it closed the CorelDraw for after conversion. Where are if we are 1 2, 1 2. So if you are having a lot of pages, this one this will make it very simple to export easily. You can export 1,000 pages in 1 hour. But if you are doing it manually, afofo America, any kind. Okay, so the next one is the calendar wizard. Hmm. We use calendar wizard to add calendars to our documents. Okay, if you want to add a calendar, you open up the calendar wizard, scripts, you run scripts, calendar wizard, run. So with calendar wizard, we can automatically add calendar to CorelDraw design, our CorelDraw design. Maka calendar they go already set. Even calendar no
Yeah.
5,050. Let's set the already up there. Hmm?
Yeah.
But when I set yeah, who set me?
Ah, that's a good
When I set yeah, Chineke.
name.
Eh? Oh, one particular day. Give me that day. No, Pope, oh, shape, yes, set, yeah. Hmm? Man, normal. You know what? You are supposed to be in the world like that. No time, no nothing. No, but as time goes on, you have to put in time, create calendars, then measure time. Hmm? So we are in 2026. In your mind, we are in 2026, right?
Mm.
A monkey mind, in Yanona 2026.
Right.
Amakwam. In the Ethiopia cannot 2018. They are not using the same calendar. Mm. See, Ethiopia no 2000.
Hey.
Oh, okay. So yeah, you see the calendar dates 2026. If you want, you can change it to 50,078. Wow, Monica Ngumba.
Hey.
Yeah.
Joe. Joe.
Okay, so let's go back to 2026. Then which calendar are we showing? Are we showing a particular month? January, April, July. Which one? Monica, choose one. Are we showing all? Are we showing
All
all?
of them.
All of them. You click all or none. Okay, we are showing all of them. Calendar. What's up? Mm. So English language. Give me Igbo draw here. Why? You're supposed to put Igbo. Hmm?
Ibadro.
Igbo Adriana. And to ekwesị itinye eke. Good. And to your assignments. Ihe lebelo calendar Igbo. Itila ihe design Igbo calendar. With eke afọ orie nkwọ. Hmm? Igbo aka n'isi. Why?
Diga
Making
me se efeito antigo. Eu vi Ibadro.
search online. You have to secret here. So or you design Igbo one and put inside CorelDRAW for us. Hmm?
Okay.
Or if you just Play Store, you see Igbo calendar. You download it, then you can from there type it in manually. So when am I getting the assignment? Next, now when next are you coming?
Ah, that is true.
Good. So on Saturday I'll see it. So we are selecting all and the layout. The layout I show. Do you want only one month large or or large and too small? After you are seeing the layout over here. Or we want year. Let's pick on year 3 by 12 like this. Let me see. Now, if you when we click on the language option, the new, you can see French language. January, Javia, Juliet for July, Août for August, September for September, October for October, Thursday, JD, Wednesday, Mercredi, Sunday, Dimanche, Nafia.
Mm.
So from here, each different calendars. German, we have Italian, Norwegian, all their days, Portuguese, Russia, Spanish, but we are using English. Then lay out small, then create calendar in current documents. Okay, expand, let's expand more. Let's see. Margins, here are the margins about, okay. Then formatting style. Let's, and I want to change the fonts. Okay, yes, the header. Even a page layout, beside page layout, we see the header. Ever we adjust the header of our calendar. We click on the fonts. We want to change the fonts. It's loading up. But from here, you can change the font of your character. For January, you can go to the title, the header, then the header. The font for Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. You can also change the fonts over there. Okay. Okay, let's use by house. Okay. If we look at our January, then the header. Let's also choose for our header. Let's use bricolage. Let's use bricolage. Extra bold. Okay. Afia. Then you can also change the
Alright.
text color and change the background color from here. Let's use this. Okay. Enough here. Style one letter top or left. Then style short form full word. It's short a full word by number. Short form. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Position top left, bottom right. Hit here on bottom left. Border above. Remove left. Bottom right. Any other thing we put on here? Let's change the color of this. If I about this box there, Monica,
This box.
hue box.
This box there.
Yes.
Radiant.
Hmm? Gini. Hue box. Hue box. HUE. Hue box. Okay, so we want to change another color. Let's go with green. Okay. Well, are you getting it? Show here. You can add here beside it. And okay, let's change this font.
Background they have I know you see color on the background.
Eh?
The background, you know they put color for that
You
side.
can put color now. And we are coming there. Let's use copper. Then color. Let's make the color to be white. Okay. I think we are done with this header. Then we go to the small body. For the body. Text. Let's change the background color. Let's remove the borders around. Okay, this one too. Let's remove the borders. Then small. Okay. All right. Then small header. I think I want to centralize this. Small header. Okay. You can also choose it to be vertical or horizontal. Font size above. Okay. Dividers. You can add dividers. Generate. Let me see how you click on generate to generate your calendar. So assignments, you have to create a calendar 2026 calendar. Here design here, or person at the bottom, you put on a calendar there for us. So on Saturday we'll be entering into Photoshop. All right, this is my calendar in CorelDraw. So today is, let's see if it's correct. Today is what? June huh? 29 or where? 29, right?
29.
29 Monday. This is it. So it's correct. Any question? Hmm? So classwork. Open your design, the NK. When you open it, use color chart tools. Run script. Go to color chart. Afia, you see it in your
Hello.
hmm? Go to color
Color
chart
chart.
and pick up the color chart in your design, in your NK design. Any question? Any question? No question. So thank you for the class. Juliet, I before and after. I before and after. As clear. Ime. Ma Juliet, ma Judith. Ime. Ime gi afuba ni na group. A post be na Behance. No Behance, no class. Oh. So propria. Eh? It's na Behance na. Yes, yes. It's na Behance. So, I beg.